We're back wild camping. It's snowing already, so it's going to be a fun one. So I'll see you when we get there. Well, we've made it. We was not expecting this at all. It's a blizzard. We're up on Winnats Pass. We're going to spend the night up here. It's snowing. I'll spin you around in a minute and show you. It's windy, it's cold.
Make a snowman, mate.
Yeah, we'll probably make a snowman in the morning, yeah. So yeah, it's going to be a challenge today. So we'll see how we get on. We're just making a cup of tea. It's very windy. So I apologise if you can't hear me. I'm going to have my dinner, have a brew, and we'll see how we go. Vacated the tent for a bit. It's really coming down. It's starting to settle now. Come and have his dinner. I'm going to have my dinner now, and then hopefully this wind will die off. It's starting to die off now. It was really windy a minute ago. We'll have this and we'll go outside and see what it's like. But looking under the sheet, it's looking like it's settling. Got chicken curry, but warmed up. Got this nice little pan set off Amazon. Only about £11. You got your lid. Where's the rest on it? Your frying pan, everything packs up into a little thing. It's been alright. If you're looking for a cheap pan set, I recommend that. I'll stick a link in the description below if anyone's interested. I'm going to finish my curry. Wind's settled down now. Right, let's take a look outside. Woohoo! Whoa. Get this. Oh, we've got snow on my lens. Sunset is 7:51. Oh, look at the hills over there. The hill over there. Yeah. We're white over now. Wind's still windy. We always said we wanted to do a winter wild camp. Wanted to do a snowy one. We missed out last time. It looks like we've got his wish. Just hope this wind dies down a bit. Snow I can handle, wind. I want to get my drone up. I tried to take it up earlier, take some drone shots, but it just near enough took off. So I don't know if you can hear wind on mic. It's very windy. Straight into the tent, where you can see how much it's pushing tent in. Get this. We're in for a good night. Snow stopped just in time for the sun to go down. So we've come out to do a bit of photography. Nice scenic view now. We'll take a look at this. Look at that colour in that sky. Got a camera set up. Steve's tripod there. I don't know where Steve's gone. So yeah, we're going to take some shots up here. Just sat now, letting tents dry out a bit. Very cold last night. Very windy. Tent were getting battered. It's still getting battered now. Not as bad as it was last night though. Sorry there's no much B-roll or anything on this video, on this vlog. Not been able to get my drone up. It's been that cold. It's literally, I've just not had a chance to do any. Short and sweet one today. It's been a good camp. I was cold, but other than that, I'm fine. We had a brilliant, amazing sunset last night. Sunrise this morning has not been as good. In fact, it's hardly any. But it was worth it just for that sunset last night. It was brilliant. So anyway, I'm going to get packed up, head back to the car, go home, have a shower, get warm, hit the like button if you like what you see, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you on the next one.